Hi parents, I just wanted to take a second to introduce you to this new accountability tracker that I created for you and your students. Right now we're piloting it with just science and Spanish. Maybe eventually we will add the other subjects, but for right now only science and Spanish work will be on this. So no matter what grade your student is in, whether it be ninth grade or 8th grade, they're each going to have an accountability tracker. I want them to think of it like a planner, a to-do list of the things that I need to make sure are turned in. We're having trouble getting students to turn in work on time and to kind of understand what's expected of them each day. So this is hopefully going to help. It's going to go on a day-by-day basis, like I said. So here was today's work. Here's tomorrow's work, and each day I'll upload it. I'll do another one. The most recent day is going to be closer to the top. So start thinking of these like a checklist. For Spanish, everything is due weekly. For science class, everything is due daily, so this is going to change for science every day. So for science in 8th grade today, what they needed to complete was the review quizzes. So they would hypothetically put a little check right here. Tomorrow, what they need to do is take their disease test online on Canvas, and so when they finish it, do a little check. Hopefully this will help you distinguish what is due and what is not due for classes, and also kind of help hold the students accountable and just show them exactly what I expect of them each day. Like I said, again, Spanish is weekly. That's why it says due weekly right there. For Spanish class, students are expected in 8th grade to have 2 hours of work logged, and it will be consistent work. If they leave the tab, it doesn't count. They have to be, and if they're inactive for too long, it won't count. And then they have to have a 3% progress in Rosetta Stone. And like I said, this is due weekly. If they are a Monday, Tuesday student or Plan C, their work is due on Sunday before they come to class. If they're a Thursday, Friday student, their work is due on Wednesday. Okay, so that's 8th grade in Spanish. Like I said, every day your science work is going to change. This is 9th grade. So 9th grade Spanish is different. They need 3.2 hours of Spanish work every week with an 8% progress in Rosetta Stone. So every week, same thing. If they're a Monday, Tuesday student or Plan C, their work is due on Sunday night. If they're Thursday, Friday, their work is due on Wednesday before they come to class. Again. Science class, this will change daily for science. So today what students had to do was take their Kepler Law doodle notes today. Did they do it? They can check it off mentally. So this is just a view only. They won't actually be able to edit this, either you or your student. You'll just be able to see it and it change each day. Tomorrow what students are going to do is that we're going to do a Kepler's Law lab. So they need to turn in their lab sheet. Did they do it? Yes, check it off. If they didn't do it, encourage them to do it, especially because we want to make sure that our work is getting done every single day, especially with science class. Our content builds each day, so it's really important that students are making a daily effort to complete the work. I still have some students who are not completing any work at all when they are at home or online. So it's a very big deal that you kind of help us out as far as holding your student accountable. Okay, so I hope these tools helped you. I hope this introduction helped you understand what this is. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to message me back or email me, but I hope that you watch this video first. Have a great day, guys.